Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to organize contacts in GetResponse quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click on Contacts. Here you'll see all of your subscribers. To keep your contacts organized, start by creating separate contact lists for different audiences. You can also add tags to group subscribers based on their interests, purchases, or lead sources. Another helpful option is to use custom fields to store additional information like company name, location, or customer type. You can also use filters and saved searches to quickly find specific groups of contacts whenever you need them, as your email list grows. It's a good idea to regularly remove inactive subscribers and update outdated contact information. Keeping your contacts organized makes it easier to send targeted email campaigns, improve engagement, and manage your audience more efficiently. That's it. You've successfully organized your contacts in GetResponse. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.